Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has strongly refuted BJP's claims that he proposed amending the constitution to provide reservations for Muslims. Addressing the media in Bengaluru, he clarified that his statement was distorted and accused the BJP of spreading misinformation. Shivkumar emphasized that he never spoke about constitutional amendments but only referenced past modifications based on court rulings. He announced legal action against those who misrepresented his words, targeting BJP leaders Amit Malviya and Sambit Patra. Shivkumar criticized their continuous attacks on the Congress and the Gandhi family, calling it a political conspiracy. He also defended the 4% Muslim reservation, stating it was based on backward class commission reports and legal precedents. Accusing the BJP of misleading the public to divert attention from governance failures, he asserted that Congress, which gave India its constitution, would always uphold it. He also clarified that the media was not responsible for the misinterpretation. BJP had deliberately twisted his statement. Shivkumar concluded by reaffirming his commitment to legal action against those spreading false narratives.
I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution is built. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country, and they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come on the basis of judgment, some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
The union minister says, Mr. Kiran,
misquoting media or BJP?
Media, no, media is not misquoting. It is BJP misquoting. Where is media going? You see the record. I just saw the record just right now after looking at it.
So Amit Malviya has specifically tweeted on that, sir.
No, let see. They are political people. They try to misguide the country itself. Not only the BJP always try to misguide the country. Where I have said that I am going to change the constitution.
Do you think they are peddling fake news, sir?
See, they are very famous on peddling fake news like this, because they know that every day their graph is dipping. So I will not leave at this stage.
Sir, on record, will you just say this 4% reservation is based on what? One for record sake.
See, this is on record. I am telling you, on the basis of the backward class. Backward class, what is in my state. On that basis, my government has taken a call. That's all. I know that will go to the court. I said that let us wait for the court. In so many cases, on so many states, it may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation, people have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier. I am not I am also a sensible man with well experience in this legislative system.
Sir, Mr. Sambit Patra have said that this is the idea of Congress and the Rahul Gandhi family and Sonia Gandhi family.
If they doesn't take the name of Gandhi family, they will not get sleep at all.
Hey, down, Chandra, mic down.
So all rubbish, all nonsense. I would like to again tell that this is all a political conspiracy against our party and me.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
I will definitely have to take it legally. It is my bound duty, but the matter is in the parliament. So parliament, they will have a different.
Not opposition.
not opposition telling the constitution changing. In the media also it is came. After the media, we reacted. First in the media, in the channel discussion, Dikesh Kumar openly told favor to Muslim. When in the bomb blast, cooker bomb in auto, Mangalore, he told, they are my brothers. Same thing he is telling 4% reservation. That is right. So that's why, if not possible, we will change the constitution. That is the intention of Congress people. Already bill passed in the assembly also. This is illegal. We are opposing the 4% reservation of Muslim. So we will do outside also, in the public also we will protest.
What is your demand related to this treatment of reservation?
Immediately you have to resign.
PCC President and Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, has made some statement in one of the programs. Well, the power of changing the constitution lies with the Parliament. Probably, instead of saying amendment, he might have said that by mistake he might have used that word changing. Changing is impossible. Nobody can change the constitution. As far as the reservation is concerned, what we have given 4% reservation to Muslim is well within the constitution. Article 14, Article 15, 16, 4 clearly says there should not be any discrimination against in the name of religion, caste and language or creed. And socially, educationally backward class. That's been identified, the backward classes is identified by the Backward Class Commission. As far as Karnataka is concerned, right from 1977 onwards, there are 4 commissions. One is Havanur Commission, Venkateswamy Commission, O. Chinnappa Reddy Commission, and one more commission. 4 commissions have clearly mentioned that Muslims are socially, educationally backward. Muslim is not religion. They are the followers of Islam. So likewise, all Hindus, even the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and the OBCs, they are Hindus, but they have been treated as OBCs because they have been deprived of opportunities. So it's very clear that it is within the constitution that we have given 4% reservation for this section of the society.